Hello everyone, my group is group 1 from section 3 from the course computer programming UTHM, and our group is required to develop computer programming from application of the machine. The machine that we chosen is about hydraulic multi-angle notching machine. Our group member is Erickson Samuel Bentai Anak West, AD 1900X3, Alfred Judai Florentius, CAD 190001. And lastly, Nazarul Fahmi bin Abdurrahim, AD 190015. Our lecturer is Dr. Ho Fu Haw.
X shows it is a shear factor. The next part will be about the cutting process. The cutting process is where the excess material is removed by shearing from a preformed blank in the form of chips using a wedge-shaped cutting tool in order to get the desired shape, finish, and tolerance. The cutting process can also be done on other materials such as plastics, woods, ceramics, and so on. Last of all, I will be talking about the notching process of hydraulic angle notching machine. Notching is a process that involves the cutting of various types of metal at different angles. So for example, if you like to cut an angle at 30° or at 140° angle, which the machine hydraulic angle notching machine is excel at. So a notch is cut inward from the edge of the material and then cut at a measured angle that is calculated in accordance with the application that requires the notching. Afterwards, the vertical cut that is made in the stock is made perpendicular to the edge of the material.
So, this is our program, and we will start running this program. So, it asks us to press enter. Then, it will show here our product, which is metal plate. And there are three types of products that are allowed for this machine, which are aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel. So, these are our three operations, which are cutting, punching, and shearing. So, we can choose which one we want. Firstly, we may choose cutting. So, we can press 1 and press enter. Here it shows cutting operation, and the thickness limit of metal plates allowed from 0.4 to 5 millimeters. The electrical energy needed for cutting process is 4 kilowatts. The cutting speed is 1440 revolutions per minute. The max work pressure of hydraulic system is 18 megapascal. The max plate area is 9 meters square, and the energy efficiency for cutting is 1.3. Then we may enter the thickness of the plate that we chose. So we may press 3 millimeters for the thickness. So these are the result that we get. The processing time is 0.125 seconds. The energy consumed is 130 watts. The solid waste generated is 2.6 meters. And do we can wish to continue or not? So if we don't want to wish to continue, we can press N. That's it. Thank you for using our system.
For the conclusion, it meets its goal by creating a clear objective and by developing the characteristic needed with the pseudocode algorithm and C programming. Different metal sheet was experimental by the machine with three different processing process in terms of processing time, energy consumed, and solid waste generated. Each have their limits, and the machine must follow it. Our group management was going smoothly as everything is under control, um, and we can finish it the project before the due date. The next is about hazard precaution. Firstly, hazard is when contact with the tools. It can harm stress injury and crash injury. For the precautions, we can fix guarding to prevent access to cutting area and present sensing a device that stops the machine when entry is detected. Second is about contact from moving impact from moving parts or ejected tools. For the precaution, we can ensure tools are interlocked to prevent unexpected movements and allow the sole operation so no one else needs to approach the machine. Okay, the next hazard is about contact or impact under unexpected movement. From the hazard, we can do the precaution which is remove or unlock out machine that falls inspection and do not use until repairs or replacement from the laboratory.
So we have reached the end of the slide where I described the machine process, and that's all from me. Thank you.